This 2021 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf 287BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ardmore, Tennessee, 38449 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Ardmore. This used Forest River is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, slide-out, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Ardmore, visit RVUSA.com.